The statements and conducts of Chief Barrister Wike, if not timely checked, may lead to a breakdown of peace and security in Nigeria. That he also chooses Port Harcourt, the River State capital, to release these provocative threats is very worrisome and condemnable. For the record, we would like to comment on Wike's over-exaggerated use of the term mind structure. Almost all the contemporary set of leaders with Wike had at one time or the other served or worked under previous governments. It is thus unimaginable for Wike to assume that the current and future political structure and generations of leaders in Rivers State belong to him. They should therefore stop misleading the public with the false narrative of my structure. The political structure in Rivers State belongs to Rivers people. To this end, we plead that you use your authority to direct the Inspector General of Police to unlock the 23 local government council secretariats in Rivers State and to allow for a smooth, unhindered operations and delivery of democratic dividends to the people at the third tier of governance. Finally, we think you need to address the apparent desperation of Chief Wike, who seems to have made grabbing a political conquest that must be achieved by all means. You may need to call your minister to order, sir. It is in the light of the foregoing and in the general interest of Nigerians that we urge you to cause an investigation into these threat statements so that the tension already generated could be brought to rest.